Okay, I can see that you put 3 projects. You have done 3 projects. One is implementation, and then you work for some support, and
Okay.
then implementation. Okay,
Yes.
tell me what are the key role in the last project? I can see from April 2017 to till now. What
Okay.
are the key, main roles in this project, and what kind of scenarios you have worked? And just tell me briefly about that project.
Okay. Yeah, the recent part which I have done, that is production support and some couple of deployments I have done. And nearly since 2017 April, I've been associated with that particular client. So since then, nearly more than 1.5 years, I worked as a support consultant. I have given the production support for one of the SBZ, and after that, I moved to testing, and there I have created some test scripts, and I have done some couple of deployments. Recently, I have done one deployment, which is HSP Malaysian currency conversion project that is based out of Malaysia. In this project, I worked as a data conversion lead, basically. Yeah, actually, I have very good exposure in all the MM parts in like purchasing, inventory, and I have a couple of I have some very good experience in invoice verification also. Mm, yeah, that's it. I think.
In that project. Okay, have you worked on any developments in that project?
Yeah. I worked on one development. Yes, I worked for development.
Okay, tell me any one development which you have worked.
Okay, so the development which I have worked, like there is a requirement which we got from the business. That requirement to need to display the report for, with respect to the inputs of release group and release group and purchase order. So the report will come like given the input of purchase order and release group, what are the release hierarchy, whether this purchase order has been released or not. If not, what is that hierarchy is pending? I mean, the complete status of the release procedure for the particular purchase order. That is the report which we have done for this client. That was my not very recently, like 6 months back. And apart from that, I have done one deployment which is like the characteristics of the class. This is one kind of report. This for this I am working as a functional lead of MM functional lead. So for that, once you give the class as input in the report, and we can see the all the report which is the, how many characteristics has been assigned to the particular class. That complete report will be displayed in the system. That one kind of custom report, which was the complete custom business from the client. Those are the 2 deployments which I have done recently.
Okay, and what is the exact report? You give the class and you get the details of that class.
Yeah. If I give the class as the input, and I can get all the list of the characteristics and what are the characteristics which has been assigned to the particular class. That was the one custom report which we are using in current client annual.
Okay.